Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Freshdesk email to ticket for faster triage easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Freshdesk's email to ticket feature, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin panel, which you can find in the left sidebar. Look for the email section under the support channels category. Click on the email option to access the email settings. Next, you will see an option to add a support email. Click on that Add Email button to proceed. Enter the email address you want to use for support tickets. This address will be the one your customers will send emails to. After entering the email, select the Create a New Ticket from this email option. You can choose to set email forwarding rules in your email provider's settings. This will ensure that emails sent to this address are forwarded to Freshdesk. Once set up, click on the Save button to store your changes. Now, let's define the ticket settings. You can assign a default priority level for incoming tickets. Choose the status you'd like to apply to tickets created through email. Next, configure the ticket source as email for better tracking. You can also set up notifications to inform your support team about new tickets. After finishing these settings, click Save. Now, test your email to ticket setup. Send an email to the support address you just created. Check your Freshdesk account to see if the ticket is generated. If the ticket appears, your email to ticket setup is successful. If not, revisit the email forwarding settings in your email provider. Ensure that everything is correctly configured for seamless functionality. Now you are ready to streamline your ticketing process with Freshdesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.